Welcome everybody to the first video on the Firebugs YouTube channel. My name is Mark and I will be doing most of the videos for our YouTube channel. And today's video is super easy, it's the first one. All we're going to be doing is simply setting up the program Snap for Arduino, getting it going with our Innovate Shield and our Arduino, installing the firmware and the program itself. So it's a pretty easy setup. The first thing we want to do is simply just open Google, and I will open a new tab for you to show you properly what to do. All you have to do is type in Snap for Arduino, or you can go into the description and open up the link that I've got pasted in there. But if you search Snap for Arduino, you'll see it comes up with snapforarduino.org. Click on that website and it will take you to this page right here. All you have to do is go to the download section just here, download, and you want to pick your operating system here. So my computer is Microsoft Windows 64 bits. I'll click on that, give it a second, just pick where you want to install it. I do already have it installed and it will download as a zip file right there. So I'll cancel that, I've already done it. You'll get a file like this one right here, Snap for Arduino. If you open up that file, you'll see the program right here. That's the program. So right click on that zip file, click extract here, and you'll see you do actually get your program, which of course I've already done. You will end up getting this program right here, Snap for Arduino. You can open that up, have a look around, get used to it if you feel like that, and then we'll be moving on to the next part. Okay, so the next part of this lesson is also very easy. We're going to be downloading the traditional Arduino IDE program, which is this one here. Very, very simple. Open Google, type in Arduino, just like that, press enter, and the first website that should come up is the arduino.cc, Arduino home. Click on that and let it all load up. And then you'll see it comes up with this tab up here. So you want to go to software, and you don't get this one, the online IDE. We don't want that one. We want the one that says download the Arduino IDE. And just like the other website for Snap for Arduino, you've got a choice of your operating system, your Windows installer, zip file, but you just want to go with Windows installer unless you have Linux or Mac. But I'm going to go with Windows installer because my computer is in fact Microsoft Windows. Click on that. It'll come up now. You don't have to pay for it. That's just a donation. You can sort of help fund them and put in some cash. Otherwise, come down to the just download button. Click that. Choose where you want to download it. I normally just put it straight on my desktop, but I already got it, so we can cancel that. Now, that's all going to download. Once it's completed, wherever you downloaded it, you'll have a file like this one right here. And the next thing you want to do is simply put the R2 Innovate Shield onto your Arduino board. So connect them together and plug it into your laptop with the USB cable that comes with it. Open up the Arduino program that we just downloaded. You'll see it comes up with this. So this is the traditional Arduino IDE where you normally do your programming, text programming. Now, I'm saying Arduino IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, so pretty much just where you sort of work with your board and you develop. So, what we want to do is make sure our board's connected properly. Go up to Tools, up here. Make sure if you're using the Arduino Uno, you go to Board, Arduino, Arduino Uno. And port. So you'll see that if I unplug my board right now, get off that, go back in it, you'll see port is grayed out because it's not plugged in. So if I plug in my board again, there it is, port, COM3, make sure it is selected. So I think I may have just unselected that, but nope. Next thing we want to do is go to File, Examples, go down to Firmware, down here, and go to the standard Firmware, right there. Click on that. Now it's going to open this. You can full screen it, do whatever you want. I'll just make sure my board is still in. It's always good just to make sure you're still connected. Whoops. Leave that, don't worry about that. Now, all you have to do is come up to this button up here, the arrow. So when you put your mouse over the arrow, you'll see it comes up with upload next to it. Click on that. Super simple. Okay, so it's officially uploaded to the board. The board is ready to go. Now, you can jump out of the IDE. You don't need that open anymore. Keep your board connected. And come over to the first program that we downloaded, Snap for Arduino. Open that. So this is Snap for Arduino. Snap for Arduino is like, think of Scratch, where you drag and drop the blocks to make a program run. Snap for Arduino is great because it's like a drag and drop programming. Now what you want to do is, you can see all these tabs up here. Click on the one that says Arduino right here, bottom right. Click on that, and you'll see it comes up with two buttons, Connect Arduino and Disconnect Arduino. Obviously, we don't really want to disconnect our Arduino, so we're going to click Connect. Connecting board at port COM3, because that's, you know, where it's plugged in. An Arduino board has been connected. Happy prototyping. I will also point out before I top off the video, this block right here, this one. So if you're writing a program, this block here can automatically connect the Arduino, so you don't have to click that every time. But I'll obviously help you guys go through that when we get further into the video series for using the R2 Innovate Shield. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and understand it. There's going to be some information in the description and things like that, but you can always contact us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, like I said. Just all you have to do is type in Firebugs. We should come up, and you can just contact us and ask us any questions or even just comments. Thanks for watching everyone. I'm glad you enjoyed it.